Alright, yes then the people. This is going to be Limehouse Firearms base. I believe this is a firearms base, or Limehouse police station, one or the other. It's open from 7 AM till 7 PM. So we're just going to check it out. I think the time's like 6 PM right now, so we're just going to check it out right quick. Yeah. There's not a lot you can find online about this place. So yeah, in the deep city right now, in the East End. Okay, here we go. Some interesting timing. They're all cameraed up. What's it? Do you know what the time is? And yeah, we'll pick this back up once we've got some activity. Alright, so this is the front gate right quick. If you notice here, we just got flats with balconies all up there. So if we get challenged, naturally the argument's going to be, you know, someone could feasibly record from there and they'd be none the wiser. So that's a preemptive response I've got in case we do get challenged. Oh, what? He's coming in there through the back gate. These lot. I think the vehicles come out through there. Anyway, we're going to pick this back up. Alright, stand by. We've got a bit of activity. Looks like a car's coming out, so just going to flip the camera on right quick. And obviously if anything kicks off, I could just place the camera right here.
The video opens quietly, but intentionally, as the film arrives outside what appears to be Limehouse Firearms or police station near closing time, calmly explaining his presence and purpose. There's no hostility, no secrecy, just a camera in a public place, but the tension is planted early when he points out residential balconies overlooking the site, subtly questioning why filming from the ground would ever be an issue. From an external perspective, this isn't provocation, it's positioning, laying the groundwork for what could unfold once authority notices its
camera right here. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Little bully van went past. Surely they're meant to wait for the gate to close. I thought that was a procedure, but anyway. Alright man, we just tried to talk to this beautiful girl, but she weren't having none of it. She said, unless you want to be a stepdad, but boy, I'm not ready for that. I ain't ready for that. 4-month-old baby, this and that. Yeah man, we ain't paying daddy to no one's kid. So I thought I recognised her. I thought that was the same girl from Lehman Street. Yeah. Hello. You okay? Just the police station. Excuse me? We've just got an interest in it.
Yeah, but that's not. You need to why? You can't just have an interest in the police station.
There's no like particular reason, like just matters of public interest. Alright. Nice tattoo by the way. Nice car as well. How are these firearms people driving?
I don't know. The lady, she wants to speak to us.
Is she gonna come out?
Yeah.
Boy, they're all coming out of nowhere. Some man are gonna white knight now. Yeah, watch this. Yeah, like that, yeah. All the white knights are coming out to play. Oh no.
Police vehicles begin exiting the station. and the filmer switches the camera on with precision, clearly anticipating interaction. The atmosphere shifts as casual commentary masks an underlying awareness that officers can now see the filming taking place. To an observer, this moment marks the silent acknowledgement between both sides. The camera is no longer just recording a building, it's recording activity, and that mutual awareness is where unease starts to creep in.
They're doing a little convoy thing. No? What's up? Boy. What the hell? They all drive these GTI Golfs, you know. They all drive them Golfs. Boy. These plainclothes feds are deliberating. They ain't got the guns, so let's see. These lot are probably all the firearms lot, but. What's up?
How you doing, guys? All right? Yeah?
Where's your gun? Oh boy, now they're getting the gunman to come out. Now they're getting the gunman to come out. Is everything okay, miss?
I don't even know what you're saying on the phone.
No, I don't want to answer no questions. Hey, don't swear, you know, you're in public, you know. Don't swear again, you know. Fuck it, might as well film the back gate right quick. These lot are bugging out, bro. These guys just chill out, man.
The situation escalates as multiple vehicles and armed officers appear, creating a visual response that feels disproportionate to the calm filming taking place. A female officer checks whether everything is okay, while firearms officers remain in the background, reinforcing the imbalance of power without a word being spoken. From the outside, it's clear the dynamic has shifted. This is no longer passive observation, but a scenario where authority is visibly asserting its presence.
I swear they all got them GTI Golfs, you know. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna cut the recording and pick it back up. No, we're just making a video, mate. Yeah.
About anything in particular?
Just about the police station.
Oh, okay. Is there any reason why you're filming?
Let me come speak to you. I can't. Yeah, what's up?
Is there any reason why? I mean, I know you're filming me and all that.
Yeah,
so that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Is there any reason why you're filming our personal cars as we're coming out? Because I could just see, obviously.
To be fair, I'm not interested in your personal cars.
No, sure.
If it so happens to be, I can blur the registration.
If you're gonna, you know what? If you're gonna put it on the internet,
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. Listen,
then that would be wicked. Only
Yeah.
because you know it's a police station. You know
No,
the
I
sort of
appreciate
police
that.
officers that.
Yeah, I'll do that for you.
And because we nick bad people, and they,
Yeah.
if they, you know, I've got family. Do you know what I mean?
I appreciate that. Listen, I'll blur it, mate.
to do?
Million
chaps?
percent.
That's the only reason why.
Hello, gents. You alright? How
Hello,
are you?
my
So
friend.
I'm gonna leave you with
Oh,
my
we've got a uniform
uniform.
on as
well.
You
alright?
certainly have, yeah.
Yes, and I'll go from there.
What's going on, mate? A couple
Yeah,
of
yeah,
words,
of course, yeah.
Where'd you come from? Oh, no, we've got another uniform on as well.
What's your purpose of filming? Is the easiest way of making this not go weary?
Weary? What do you mean weary? It can't go
I'm
weary.
presuming by the kit you've got, you're doing YouTube videos.
Okay, alright. Yeah, there you go, there you go. It's a case solved, case closed. Does it really take that many of you to come out,
Yeah,
boy?
yeah, mate, that's fine. As long as everybody's sweet, it's just the VRMs that I was worried
Yeah, listen,
about.
mate, like I told you, I'm gonna blur it, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay, all is good. Yeah, what officer just explained?
They're usual.
That's no dramas at all. Can you just show me the footage?
No, I can't.
Finally challenges the filming directly, raising concerns about personal vehicles and safety, but the filmer responds calmly, offering to blur registrations while firmly asserting his right to record. The interaction remains controlled, yet the tension spikes when the officer asks to see the footage and is refused. As a third-party observer, this is a pivotal moment. Authority has been questioned, boundaries have been drawn, and the balance of control subtly shifts.
No, I can't, sorry.
What I need to be happy with is nothing like security related to the building, you know what I mean? Potential terrorist sort of activity.
No.
things like
Can we not go down that road, please?
Well, listen, mate, I've just got to do my job and I've got to try and keep my colleagues and London safe.
Yeah, but you do
understand
know
that?
You're not at risk.
You the footage, innit?
I just can't, of course I can ask you anything, don't I?
Yeah,
You don't have to, but I'm asking you, and then we can obviously all move on, and everything could be all we have to have.
Anything that you want to say?
Sorry.
Anything you want to ask? Anything you want to say?
Not particularly, mate. No.
All right.
I'm here just to check what you're up to.
Well, I mean, one guy's got a gun. Does it really take
Just
4 or
ask me a
5 of
question,
you?
talking over. Do you want me to ask?
All right, damn.
I'm not going to entertain you for your video purposes.
Okay, don't then.
I'm here to do my job.
All right.
I'm in public. So, literally, what's the issue?
Well, the issue is, obviously, I've just explained to you both,
Yes.
if it's potential links to terrorism in
No, there's no terrorism.
Well, that's what a terrorist would say, wouldn't he?
Nah, mate. I don't feel like this is a valuable target for a terrorist.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think that?
There's
Well, it's valuable enough for you to come and record.
Yeah,
it,
but
isn't
it's,
it?
because
So
the public are interested in this sort of thing.
Are you going to listen?
No, you keep kind of doing this
you
power play, like
interrupted
chill.
me.
Like you just said something, now I said something. All right, now talk.
That's a conversation.
Okay.
So we're having a friendly conversation here.
Are we?
We've had this before where people come to record the police
Why don't
station.
you give me a name?
So why are you talking about terrorism and that? Well, why are you touching?
I was asking you.
Listen.
But you know how this goes.
Come.
You know how this goes.
I'm not a dog, mate. Tell me to come. All right? I'm trying to explain to you so you understand. Don't start pulling faces.
I'm not pulling faces, mate. Attitude's all wrong. Your attitude's all wrong. Like I'm just smiling. Like this guy, man. Sort out your attitude, man. Come on.
2 days. 2 days.
All right. How can I help you?
Well, I'm
No,
asking
but
you.
I'm reciprocating the energy you're giving me.
No. You are antagonising the situation.
All
Your
right.
friend is very relaxed and understands, actually.
What's your name, buddy?
What's your name? Could you identify yourself, please?
Yeah, of course, can. 4568 Charlie Oscar. What's your name, my friend?
I'm not required to give my name.
I know you're not. I'm asking you. Like,
Okay,
man to
well-
man.
No one told you you were.
I don't want to engage. I don't want to engage with this guy. He's got a bad attitude. I don't want to engage with you any further.
Okay, but anyway, let me explain to you. Like I've explained to you earlier, if we get calls with people filming
Yes.
police officers leaving police stations, it could be potential terrorist activity. You have been warned, obviously, and that's why you're going to get police interaction. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
I don't understand. No.
Why don't you understand that?
Are
Listen,
you okay, mate? You had a drink or something? Or you taking something? How do you not understand that? What's funny?
I find you amusing, mate. Why would you say something like that?
Because you said you don't understand.
So you said that I'm trying to antagonize you, and you just accused me of taking drugs.
The encounter reaches its peak when the officer introduces terrorism and security concerns. A serious escalation that reframes the interaction from curiosity to suspicion. The filmer challenges the logic behind the claim, and a tense verbal exchange unfolds, marked by warnings, identification, and comments questioning the filmer's understanding or well-being. From the outside, this appears less about genuine risk and more about regaining authority when
Accused me
compliance.
of taking drugs or substances.
You asked if you understood, you said no. So I'm checking whether you've taken something that maybe you don't understand.
Maybe
So
I'm
you can
maybe I'm
explain it a
choosing
different
not to
way.
understand.
Right, gents, obviously, we've spoken about it. You can understand why police...
You're weird, mate. You're weird.
Okay, good one.
Yeah, it was a great one. I'm just letting you know.
I'm trying to be friendly with you, mate. and
You're
give
not
some
being.
friendly
How are you being
advice.
friendly? You just said, "Have you taken something?"
No, I said, have you had a drink? Maybe you don't understand. So
No, I
can
certainly
explain
have
it
not had a
different
drink. Thank you, though. Thank you for looking out for my well-being.
We always will, that's our
No
job.
worries.
All right, fellas. Thank you for your time.
Look after yourself,
Thank you for
alright?
your time.
Because next time you interact with the public, don't act like this. All right?
Take care of yourself.
It's not a good look, mate. Yeah. Dismissed. Trying to talk about what I've taken a drink and this. I've had a drink and this. What are you talking about? Because I said I don't understand. Thank you, though. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. That's That's Limehouse Police Station. I'm just gonna follow this guy in, man. This guy's moving funny. Talking about.
Without rests, seizures, or demands being enforced, the officers disengage and walk away, leaving the filmer to reflect on the interaction and the insinuations made against him. The calm ending contrasts sharply with the earlier escalation, highlighting how quickly suspicion can dissolve when it lacks substance. As the video wraps up, the confrontation ends quietly, but the underlying questions about power, perception, and public accountability remain unresolved.